Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm reviewing the Safer brand yard and garden insect killer. It kills listed insects including beetles, caterpillars, and aphids, which I have had a problem with caterpillars and my nasturtiums, which I'm growing to attract hummingbirds. I keep getting caterpillars being laid in my garden. It's OMRI Listed, which for organic gardening. The active ingredients are pyrethrins, potassium salts of fatty acids. Other ingredients make up the most of it. So for a total of 100%. Net contents are 32 fluid ounces. Please keep it out of reach of children. Let's look what it says on the back here. So you don't want to get it in your eyes. This is a product that contains Pyganic. Pyganic is a registered trademark of the McLaughlin Gormley King Company, which I'm assuming distributes this. It's got a bunch of patents on here. And what you do is you want to shake well before using, and you want to do this close to nighttime so that it's effective. You don't want to do it in the morning so that the sun dries it off. You want to do it at night. I'll show you some of my plants that I use them on. This plant I've named Sydney because he's a beast. So just spray the leaves. There's some more plants over here. This is Seymour. As of Seymour from Suddenly Seymour, that would be, I can't remember the name of the movie. This is my new hummingbird. But if you can see, the caterpillars have eaten away at my leaves, and it's also been really hot here, so they're not doing super hot. But you want to spray it on the leaves. This here is some flowers. So yeah, just a good, nice spritz. Doesn't really have any toxic fumes to it. I was recommended this by a friend who gardens a lot. I just have a balcony garden since I live in an apartment, and it works great so far. The heat hasn't been super great here. It was actually 115 degrees here in Los Angeles just the other day, so my plants kind of took a hit. But the Yard and Garden insect killer works. I highly recommend it. I give it a 4 stars out of 5 stars. I don't know exactly how effective it's been because of the plant that looks like it's been eaten to death, my nasturtiums. But give it a try. It's organic gardening. So you can use this on tomato plants. When I was a kid, I used to grow radishes because radishes grow really quickly. I would grow impatiens like I still do now because they are wonderful flowers that propagate over and over again. They grow these little seed pods and then they pop open, and that's what keeps them going all year. So those are great. Yeah, recommend the Yard and Garden Insect Killer by Safer. Like I said, it's certified for organic gardening. So tomatoes, whatever else you decide to grow, you can grow watermelons, pumpkins. Summertime, it's a good time to start pumpkins for the fall. And squash, zucchini, anything like that. Summer squash is great. Zucchinis are great. You can make zucchini bread. My friend makes zucchini bread and he turns it into French toast. So that's a nice little twist on that. But yeah, back to the spray. Safer Yard and Garden insect killer. Kills beetles, caterpillars, and aphids. So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.